Hello and welcome to yet another unboxing video. Today we are going to unbox the Pixel 7 Pro and the Google Pixel Watch. Now the Pixel Watch is the first of its kind and the first generation that's coming out. This watch came in with the pre-order of the Pixel 7 Pro. Normally Google had a pre-order offer. Till now it was the headphones from Bose, but this year it was a Pixel Watch and the Pixel Pro headphones. Now I got the option with the Pixel Watch, and let's see what's inside the box of the Pixel 7 Pro and the Pixel Watch. So that's the box that came in along with it, and I have the Pixel 7 Pro and the Pixel Watch. Let's go ahead and unbox these two new releases from Google this year. So, Pixel 7 Pro first. See? Like this. So this is a metallic finish of the camera, the sides. Pretty good haptics for a phone. Good. So let's look into the Pixel Watch. Oh, that's one nice piece there. So it comes into the box. Gonna just try to slide it out right away. So talking about the features of the Pixel 7 Pro, from outside it might be difficult for many to recognize the difference between the 6 Pro and the 7 Pro, except for the Hazel color that's come out newly with the Pixel 7 Pro. The Hazel, from the appearance point of view, the 7 Pro has also a metallic strip at the camera bump, and that is a striking feature because it just stands out totally from the remaining part of the phone. Now coming over to the chip, it has a new Tensor 2 chip which has also a better battery life, and some of the reviewers in YouTube have reported that the battery life is twice as better as compared to the Pixel 6 Pro models. We also have a new face recognition and a face unblur option coming up with the new Pixel 7 Pro, and other than that, basically the camera has been one of the main selling points of the Pixel 7 Pro. It has got a new 50 megapixel camera and a 125 degree wide angle camera with front facing autofocus. These features, along with the 5x zoom and the 30x digital zoom options, are a very striking feature of the camera. The video capabilities of this phone has also been improved and is reportedly in par with the 14 Pro models. So let's see what happens in the near future. I'm also positively waiting for many of the reviewers and excited to use this phone, and would like to update you people about the future, about how this phone actually is to use on a daily basis. I'll see you, and I wish you a very good time and hope you continue to see the videos that are yet to come. See you another time. Bye bye.